Hi everyone, I'm Cody W3AMG, and today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware on your Skybridge Plus hotspot. So if you want to update the firmware, this is going to show you how. Now, it's not entirely necessary. If you're not having any trouble, you can just leave it alone and you'll be fine. But if there's a new feature you want that comes out, or if you just want to keep up to date with the latest and greatest firmware, here's how you do it. So first thing you'll do is look at your Skybridge, and on the screen you'll see an IP address. You'll want to take that IP address and actually type that into a web browser. So we're going to go over here to the computer and type this IP address into our web browser. That's one of the great advantages with the Skybridge. It will actually show you the IP address versus having to go find it through your router. That can be a very complicated process. Not with the Skybridge, super easy. So we're going to go there. Just make sure your web browser, your computer, phone, whatever that device is on the same network as your Skybridge. And once you're there, click on the configuration panel. If it asks you for a username and password, simply type in pi-star, and then the password is Raspberry. That's R-A-S-P-B-E-R-R-Y. There we go, sign in. Once we're in here, this is the main configuration panel. It's really pretty easy. There's an update button here. You're just going to click on update. We can see it's going through the update process here, and once it finishes, you'll see the finished. So we'll wait for it here for a second. There we go, awesome. It says finished. So at this point, we are good to go. I just did an update on this a minute ago, so it is up to date. But if you haven't done one, this may run for a little while, so just be prepared for that. This is up to date now, so we are all set. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it to make sure you don't miss out on any more great content. That's all I have for you today. I'm Cody W3AMG 73.